Hi guys, this is Harun. In this section, we will be discussing regarding the VLOOKUP functionality in Excel. Basically, the VLOOKUP functionality is used in Excel to call the data from one table to another. For example, here we got a table of students. I got 5 students, their name and their mark. Here I got another table. In this table, I have serial number and the name. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to call the marks from table A to table B. So straightforward, just start with the formulas. Equal to VLOOKUP, the lookup value. What I'm looking for? I'm looking for the name on which table? On table A. Table A, and I should select from the field where the names are available. So here onwards, till the column where my values are lying. So this is on the second cell actually. I select and drag to the bottom. So I select the whole range followed by the value is lying on which column? The number of the column. So this is 1 and this is 2. Basically it got 3 cells, but since we start from here, this will be the second value. 2 bracket close. It will show the value. Once again, VLOOKUP, the VLOOKUP value, Arun, the name, comma, the table range. The table range should start with the names and followed by the fields actually. So if it is lying on the third cell, then I will be giving here the 3 actually. Just drag to the bottom so the values will appear. Straightforward. And let's say in a different format. Consider I have one more student here. 6. His name is, let's say my name, Harun. So in this moment, if I perform the VLOOKUP formula, what will happen? The value for Harun is not available here. So it will give an error. Just see the error first of all. VLOOKUP, the VLOOKUP value, comma, the table which I am using, bottom, comma, 2. So Arun, Emil, everything okay. But when it come to Harun, it will give the error actually. So it will give the error not applicable like that. So we can manage this error in a better way. So I will discuss or explain regarding how to manage this error in a better way. So we can give a different formula that is also VLOOKUP only, but a small changes. Equal to if error VLOOKUP, the VLOOKUP value, and from the table Arun onwards here comma 2 comma 0, and outside the table I will give the value. If exception happen, what should be the value? So if I give here error, if I give here 0, what will happen? If there is an exception, it will give 0. So what is the difference between the previous VLOOKUP and this VLOOKUP formula? I given an if error condition before that one. So previously I start with the VLOOKUP, but this time I start with the if error. So once again I will explain the formula with the if error. Equal to if error VLOOKUP, the name, comma the table, the value lying up to D cell. So I select the whole table, comma 2 comma 0 bracket comma 0. So I given the formula, but keep in mind if the value is not available, it will appear the value here. So here it's 0. Instead of 0, if I type there not, then what will happen? It will appear here like not. Keep in mind what the value we given on the field after the comma will appear here. So let's say not available. Yeah, I given like not available. So if the value is not available, it will shows like not available. So VLOOKUP in 2 format. First, VLOOKUP straightforward. Second one, if the error case like the value is not available. Thank you.